Large homes often come with big cleaning challenges. Pet hair becomes a persistent foe. Dust bunnies multiply like rabbits, and carpets harbor hidden mountains of debris. Fear not, fellow clean warriors. The Dyson Outsize Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has arrived, promising to be your secret weapon in this epic battle against dirt. But does it live up to the hype? As a veteran in the world of vacuum cleaners, I put the Outsize through its paces to uncover its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it deserves a place in your cleaning arsenal. Supercharged cleaning for large homes. Dyson claims the Outsize delivers 90% more suction power than previous models. This translates to a machine that tackles deep-seated dirt and debris with ease, making it ideal for large homes or those with pets. The extra-large dust bin, 150% larger than previous models, minimizes emptying trips, while the wider cleaner head, 25% wider, allows you to cover more floor area with each pass. Power management and user experience. The Outsize features a power trigger, allowing you to maximize energy efficiency by using power only when cleaning. The LCD screen provides valuable information like remaining runtime, cleaning modes, and maintenance alerts. Additionally, the auto mode automatically adjusts suction based on the floor type, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. Key features and performance. Digital Motor Bar XL Cleaner Head. This powerful head delivers deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. The anti-tangle design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush bar, a common frustration with many vacuums. Hair Screw Tool. This innovative tool tackles pet hair and long hair with ease, making it a lifesaver for pet owners. Convertible design. The Outsize seamlessly transforms into a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean furniture, upholstery, and tight spaces effortlessly. Advanced filtration. The whole machine HEPA filtration system traps 99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air and benefiting allergy sufferers. Is the Dyson Outsize right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for large homes. The extended runtime, 60 minutes, extra-large bin, and powerful suction make it ideal for tackling big spaces. Pet owners. The hair screw tool and powerful suction effectively remove pet hair from carpets, furniture, and car interiors. Those seeking a versatile cleaning solution. The convertible design and included accessories allow for cleaning various surfaces and reaching tight spaces. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Extra large bin and wider cleaner head for extended cleaning sessions. Auto mode for intelligent power adjustment. Hair screw tool effectively tackles pet hair. Convertible design for handheld cleaning. HEPA filtration for cleaner air. Cons. Higher price point compared to some cordless vacuums. Heavier weight compared to some models. Overall, the Dyson Outsize is a powerful and feature-rich cordless vacuum cleaner designed for tackling large homes and deep cleaning challenges. While the premium price tag might be a consideration, its exceptional suction power, user-friendly features, and versatility make it a compelling option for those seeking a top-of-the-line cleaning solution. Expert rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Additional notes. It's important to consider your individual needs and budget when making a decision. If you have a smaller home and a more limited budget, a less powerful cordless vacuum might suffice. However, if you have a large home with pets and prioritize powerful cleaning and user-friendly features, the Dyson Outsize is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.